Alpha.
Hi everyone, my name is Ainsley. Pet cafes are getting popular nowadays. And many pet owners like to bring their pets to pet cafes to meet their furry friends. Some even celebrate their pet's birthday in a cafe. However, it can be quite challenging to take good photos in a cafe, especially with low light. Today, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to take good photos in a cafe with the Sony Alpha 7C. Okay, I've placed Mishka by the window where the natural light source is because I want her face to be lit and her eyes to get some light from the light source. At the same time, you can actually look out for artificial lights like light bulbs in the background that will give you some interesting and artistic look. The sky is getting dark now and we don't really have much light in the cafe. With the camera's large sensor, I can actually increase the brightness by adjusting the ISO. I can also turn down my aperture all the way to f1.8. And to further increase the brightness, I can turn down my shutter speed to 1/80. I can get a very nice background blur from the fairy light. I usually set my focus area to wide, and with the animal eye focus on, it's able to pick up the dog's eye very fast and accurately even when I shoot in low light. Because the camera sensor is way bigger than a smartphone, I'm still able to get very good quality photos in low light. When I'm shooting multiple pets, the touch screen actually comes really handy because I can easily select the pet I want to focus by just tapping on the screen. Here I am using a f1.8 lens, so it actually gives me the flexibility to further increase my brightness and have more control on the background blur. It's very easy to transfer photos from the camera to the phone. You can connect your phone to the camera while you're shooting, and ta-da! The photo will be transferred to your phone instantly. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you have learned something new. Do join us in the next two videos where I'll be sharing more tips and tricks on how to shoot at home and outdoor.
Sony.